Everyone's masked. He probably has people in like a dungeon or something, grabbing an outpost or something.
They're level.
Are they brawlers left?
They were
Bro.
level 17. Just be advised.
They have 34 in comms, Flocka.
Okay, hold on
They
ping,
were
hold
in
on
a
ping.
dungeon.
Yep, they're in group dungeon right there.
Hold on ping.
Still no dis. Oh, yeah,
Where
now
deep
they
is
have dis. Level 14.
14 now.
Yeah. Here, just posture west for a second. Let them get the castle.
Baron, did you make it back?
Following these.
Okay,
Yeah,
smell
I'm
me.
in. Kind of. I'm in bridge.
I think their colors on a hodge.
Come north. Our kite path, I'm gonna go straight east, okay? I'm gonna go straight east, and then we're gonna go down the hill southeast.
They probably have like an invis hellfire or something. Careful. They normally do.
Yeah, they have icon trees.
Yeah,
That's
careful.
the case, they're probably gonna
It
like
was
first.
it was.
The invis's
They're
name
bro.
is probably Wolf
Stepping up.
PV. Yeah, Wolf PV
Okay.
is their invis. Careful.
Witchrook perma fake north, Witchrook perma fake north, 3, 2, 1, fake north, fake north.
So I was not in position.
Okay, hold, kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards. Are they all leashed?
It'll be way too fun.
Okay, step up a bit, step up a bit.
No touch, no saddle.
Yo, Bucket, you shouldn't fake with that
Good.
until we have 2.
Kill the guards.
Hold it.
No, we can fake with Witchrook, it has assassin card, or good assassin. And you just reset right after. Careful on my front, they might just finish these guards and we can step in.
Once again, Wolf
Step
PV
down.
is their
Yeah, hit
invis.
north.
I
Yeah.
can mark the invis. I can mark the
Two
invis.
invis
And-
Give me the party leader.
Can I hit north on the wall, Jess?
Yeah, I can stop.
Look shallow on top of the drop.
Look straight north on Jess, 5, 4, 3, 1 straight north on Jess, get north on Jess. Come out south, come out south,
Idiot.
come out south. And we're fighting east, we're fighting east.
That hodge is looking at me.
Garden the gate, garden the gate, garden the gate. Come east a bit, come east a bit, come east a bit. Dirty on the choke, hold. Dirty on the choke, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the choke for us. Almost, come east a bit, come east a bit.
We have
They have lock on.
Heal my bomb, heal my bomb, heal my bomb, heal my bomb. Help him come out, help him get out.
Get him out, get him out, get him out.
Okay, hold here, hold here. Dirty north side of the gate.
Two offensive guardians.
Step up, step up. Dirty north side of the gate, 5, 4, 3, go north side of the gate, north side of the gate, north side of the gate. Nice hit, cycle
Good luck.
fast,
Good like
cycle fast.
5.
Kill three,
One
kill three,
invis
kill three.
hellfire in
Great.
west side. One invis
Cycle
hellfire in
is
west
fast,
side.
I
One
can just-
invis.
Okay, Gary, demon. Oh, come step up. Gary west side, look at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side now, west side now. Go west.
I might need help.
Good. 10 gamer. Cycle here. Be careful they don't try anything funky
I got
from
heals.
town. Come northwest. Gary northwest over the wall. Step up, northwest over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 1 over the wall.
Did this out there.
One.
On the west side, west side.
Scared to be.
Yo, carrying the choke,
Watch your east here. Okay. Bash suicide. Go suicide. I want to go suicide. Come to suicide. Full hammer suicide. All hammers. All hammers and suicide. Okay, now my tank step up. Just wait. Careful. Look west on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 west on this tank here. Nice. Cycle east here.
They have an Enig.
On my front.
Nice.
I don't have to take for that, unfortunately. Mark it. I'm marked in this. Wait, step up now. Wait.
They use a lot on bomb.
Get it on the chest northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the chest northwest. Nice. Comes up this inside ready.
Hey,
Okay. Just make sure they don't open the chest.
Dress up in 10 seconds.
3 seconds on
Hold.
bro.
Up.
I have 5
Wait
seconds
for
on
a
back.
fake middle
I
loader.
can stop
3,
full
2,
west.
1 fake middle loader, fake middle loader. Wait, come southeast,
up.
come southeast, come southeast. Wait, they're gonna try to flood out here. Let them come in, let them come in.
I have everything.
Let them come in, let them come in. Look west of the wall, west of the wall, 5, 4, 3, going west of the wall, west of the wall.
Ooh, nice.
Cycle now, kill you guys and cycle.
Loot that. Get it, Jess.
Yes, didn't get shit. Yo, loot that guy, loot that guy, loot that guy.
Come with us, come west, come west. Fake west, fake on the J, fake on the J, fake on the J, fake on the J, fake on the J.
Oh, we should have just reeled, bro.
Look south of the warden, 5, 4, 3,
Jade.
2, 1, south of the warden, south of the warden.
Left, 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 left.
Help my friend, Come easy again. I'm just 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds.
We're good, we're good.
Copy
Stay here.
G, stabilize.
Do it.
Kill these guys inside.
Step full west.
Step up a little bit.
5 seconds.
North side, dirty north side. North side on tanks, 5, 4, 3, going on tank north, on tank north. There's hard. Nice. Hold here. You guys find it already.
I'm up again.
For my bombs.
Good.
Okay.
You go south, they're going out.
Come south.
They're
Facing
clicking out,
south.
they're clicking out.
G the choke. On the choke, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke west. Blow it all up. Nice hit.
Nice.
Hold here and cycle. I'm not gonna push them out. I'm just gonna kill.
They're running.
Okay, kill the guards. Do whatever you can. Kill the
Up.
guards.
They're still
Still
down
some
here.
people south. You still people
Yeah, hit
south. You get hit.
Okay, step
Two of
up.
them.
Get you west over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 1 west over the wall. There's that guy. You guys can chase
Get
him
him.
out.
I'm chasing.
Kill these guys. Not too many people. You gotta kill the guys. Not too many people.
Your entire third. We need a rebag.
Help
Me off the wall.
Okay, kill him. Where's the rest of the guards?